Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty, and today's video is my top 4 Victoria's Secret's fragrance mists that I wear for fall video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies my top 4 Victoria's Secret's fragrance mists that I wear for fall video. And ladies, this video is all about these 4 fragrance mists that I am going to be sharing with you. But before I get all into the details of the fragrance mist, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and I do makeup tutorials, fashion and style videos, and hair product review videos. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, so that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. And also ladies, I do want to mention that I will be posting new videos every Sunday on my channel, so that way if you're looking for some fashion ideas or outfit ideas or makeup tutorials or anything that has to do with fashion and beauty, definitely check out my channel every Sunday for new videos. So ladies, let me go ahead and get started on the 4 fragrance mists from Victoria's Secrets. Now, when I was thinking about doing this video, I was thinking to myself that I have not done a video about Victoria's Secret's fragrance mist in a while. Now, I did do a video a few years back sharing basically fragrance mist that I use, and I did like a little review on it. If you want to check out that video, I will be sharing a playlist down in the description box below. So after you finish watching this video, definitely check out the other Victoria's Secret videos that I have available. All of the information is going to be down below in the description box. So I've decided to go ahead and do another video on fragrance mists. And these 4 fragrance mists are the ones that I basically have been using for fall. So the thing that I really adore about Victoria's Secret's fragrance mist is that they smell really nice and they smell like expensive perfume, but you don't really spend a whole lot of money. They're very inexpensive, and that's the thing that I adore about Victoria's Secret's fragrance mist. So the very first fragrance mist that I'll be sharing with you ladies that I have been using all the time around fall is this fragrance mist right here. This is actually Victoria's Secret's, I would say, classic fragrance mist. This scent is one of the scents that keeps on coming back over and over and over and over again at the Victoria's Secret stores and also on their website, and it is called Amber Romance. Now, I have been using Amber Romance for a few years right now, and every time I run out of can't speak today ladies, every time I run out of Amber Romance, I always go back to the store or to the website and I stock up on Amber Romance. And the thing that I really adore about Amber Romance is that it has this really warm, spicy smell to it, and it smells amazing. It smells really spicy, really warm, and it really have the scent of fall. So I'm just going to go over the notes that are in Amber Romance. And the notes that are in Amber Romance is black cherry, creme anglaise, vanilla, and sandalwood. And so those are the notes of Amber Romance. And like I said, it's really warm, it's really spicy, and it smells wonderful. So if you're looking for a fragrance mist that's really warm and spicy and it has that warm, spicy smell, definitely get Amber Romance. Now, the next one that I'll be sharing with you ladies is part of Victoria's Secret's actual fragrance line. They actually do have a perfume from this line, from this scent that I'm about to share with you ladies. And this one is Victoria's Secret's Bombshell Seduction. So ladies, this is basically my go-to fragrance mist when I really want to have like a sophisticated type of scent. And it smells really, really nice. And it's really sophisticated scent. And I'm going to go ahead and go over the notes that are on Bombshell Seduction. Okay, so the notes that are here, basically it has fruits in it. It also has some flowers. And the notes are velvety magnolia, sparkling grapefruit, and warm musk. So those are the notes for Victoria's Secret's Bombshell Seduction. And ladies, this fragrance mist is just amazing. Now they do have the regular perfume for this, so if you're not really ready to invest, so I just want to share some tips with you ladies. So tip number one, if you're not ready to invest in an actual Victoria's Secret's perfume, I would highly suggest for you to get the fragrance mist first and see how, you know, it's worn on you. And definitely if you enjoy it, you can definitely get the perfume. But by the same token, this is really inexpensive, so you can definitely stock up on the fragrance mist. And oh my gosh, this smells really amazing. It smells really sophisticated. Alright, so the next one that I am going to share with you ladies is this one right here. And this is another scent that I have been wearing all fall long. Ladies, this is like, I would say this is the classic overall Victoria's Secret fragrance scent. And it is Victoria's Secret's Heavenly. Yes, ladies. Now, if you have never, ever smelled Heavenly, or you have never purchased Heavenly, I would highly suggest Victoria's Secret's Heavenly. It smells wonderful, okay? It really smells wonderful. And this also have a very sophisticated smell. It smells like very expensive perfume like Chanel or Christian Dior perfume. It has a really nice scent to it. And it's a really sophisticated type of scent. So I'm just going to go over the notes in Heavenly. So Heavenly has, let me see, the notes are quince and cardamom, ivy, mandarin, and it also have lotus, lotus, white peony, freesia, iris, and violet. And it also have white musk, sandalwood, orchid, and vanilla. Ladies, this is amazing. And if you are looking for a scent that's really sophisticated, definitely get Heavenly. They actually have the fragrance for this as well. They actually have the perfume for this as well. And I do have the perfume. But since today's video is all about fragrance mist, I wanted to share with you ladies that you can get the fragrance mist if you don't want to commit to the perfume. And if the perfume is a little bit expensive and you're just looking for, you know, a budget-friendly scent, you still want to look, you know, not look, but you still want to smell really sophisticated and you want to have that sophisticated smell, definitely invest in Heavenly fragrance mist. Now, the last one that I want to share with you ladies is this one. Now this one I also have been using, and this one is Victoria's Secret's Velvet Petals. And ladies, this smells like a flower garden. It smells so wonderful. Okay, it has a really nice scent to it. If you really adore floral scent perfumes or floral scent fragrance mist, then this fragrance mist is definitely the one that you should look into. It's really, really nice smell. It has a really nice floral scent. It kind of smells like a flower garden, like as if you walked into a flower garden. And it's also a sophisticated type of scent. It's very light, but it's sophisticated as well. And I am going to go over the notes for Victoria's Secret's Velvet Petals. And so they're soft. It's a soft floral fragrance, and it has sweet almond glaze and creamy sandalwood. And ladies, this smells like as if you just walked into a flower garden. That's what it smells like. And it's really, really light and airy. So one of the things that I also want to mention, so definitely get this if you are interested, but one of the things that I do want to mention is that all of these fragrance mists that I'm sharing with you ladies are actually available at the Victoria's Secret website. So if you're looking for any type of new scent that you just want to add into your fragrant mist collection, or you're just looking for a new scent to just overall add to your scent collection, then definitely get these fragrance mists. All of them are going to be linked down below in the description box. I will be linking all the links for these fragrance mists if you are interested in getting any of the fragrance mists that I shared with you ladies in today's video. And I also wanted to share some tips and tricks. Now on my last video, I did share some tips and tricks on fragrance mist and how to basically make fragrance mist last longer. That's one of the things about fragrance mist, is that they do not last as long as, like, you know, eau de parfum perfume. But definitely ladies, you can definitely make them last longer. There are some tips and tricks that I shared in the other video, so please be sure to check out the other video for more tips and tricks on how to make the scent of the fragrance mist last longer. And another thing that I want to mention, so tip number 2, because I think I mentioned tip number 1 earlier. So tip number 2 is if you do want to keep on replenishing the scent and the scent kind of fades away, and you know you want to add a little bit more, then I would highly suggest to get the travel size fragrance mist. Now this one is heavenly. It's almost finished, as you can see, and this is the perfect size to just put in your handbag whenever you just want to kind of freshen up the scent, and you know you could just spritz it on and you're good to go. So ladies, that is it for this my top 4 Victoria's Secret's fragrance mists that I wear for fall video. And ladies, like I said, if you're interested in any of these fragrance mists, the links are going to be down below in the description box. And also ladies, I do have other playlists. If you are into fashion and into style and into makeup tutorials and into makeup reviews and everything that has to do with fashion and beauty, I will be leaving the links to all of the playlist videos that I have available for you ladies. And also please be sure to check out my other Victoria's Secrets videos as well. I will be leaving the playlist down below in the description box. And ladies, I also have Instagram. You can definitely follow me on Instagram as well. All of that information is going to be down below in the description box. And ladies, thank you so much for watching. I will be doing more makeup tutorials, more fashion and style videos, and more hair product review videos. Bye-bye and God bless.